Yeah, circa 1974 down there.
Look at all these Post-its.
I don't know what that is. This, I don't think this is hooked up to anything. This has been sitting here for probably years.
Files, drawings,
More files.
when's this permit from?
I don't know, but if the rubber band is fused to it, it's probably pretty old.
More files.
2013.
I don't know what this stuff is, but I've always seen it.
I don't know what that is either.
That is an easel.
Is it? Oh, yeah. Look at all these hard hats. There's more hard hats, and there are people that sit here. What's that all about?
Safety glasses.
Most of the red tags are focused on the island. There's a lot of miscellaneous stuff here from previous projects and current projects that we got to be careful what be removed. There was the filing cabinets here are mostly empty except for this one tag. Everything else is just empty, just a bunch of filing, which we could definitely just leave alone. Maybe it's a good idea if we assign certain individuals for these so they have ownership in the future. The other areas that we identified is laid out drawings and submittals that we still have to determine where to put them for archiving. A lot of the drawings mainly need to be archived. Those are wet sign drawings for records.
So basically tag these drawers, so I have no idea what's in them. I've been in this pod for almost a year now. I took out all the plans from these two drawers, I just put them up here and put a tag on them. I did the same thing with these. I have no idea who they are. Seeing that most of the people in this pod are relatively new to Dome, I don't think we've contributed to these drawers anything in the last 2 years. These three drawers are all filled with files. I'm assuming from past projects. Again, at least minimum probably 2 years old.
2010.
There you go, 8 years old.
Yeah.
So,
I don't know what any of this is, so it's all red tag, and it looks really old. So, I mean, look at, yeah. These are all old files from really old projects. It even says B3 rope old.
So we're getting rid of basically everything in this center casework filled with old drawings, old files, going back to like 2010. An empty file drawer just filled with potential files, empty, and then again empty files. This side, we're probably either consolidating, reutilizing, or getting rid of. All of these drawings, once we figure out where the consolidated drawings are going, we're getting rid of those. all these office supplies are either going to get consolidated or removed. For the space up here, whatever is not being owned, we're getting rid of. Extra drawings, we're going to figure out where those are going to go and get rid of them. We have samples around. We have empty boxes that we're getting rid of.
Alright, so I work in this pod right here, the best pod. And sometimes I have to go talk to either Kevin across this way or my superintendent all the way down there. So I guess say I got a permit, gonna go this way. And I guess I could like just email him, but it just takes a lot more time to be like, hey, look at this, I have to scan it, send it to him. He has to like go through his emails. It takes so much time. So I'll just walk over here. Yeah. So then I have to give him the permit, which he then like reviews before I go get signatures or go pay it and stuff like that.
Just walking back and forth between different pods. If we were stationed better, then we could possibly work more efficiently. It's less disruptive having him maybe ask me a question from afar, or having to walk, across the office.
Was starting one. So my stuff got pushed over here. So this is basically, I just line them up, and then I'll have like sheets of like pages that go in here. But yeah, I've had to like just kind of move stuff or like make my own space here. Oh, and then where's my hole puncher?
Good question.
And someone over there, I think they took it.
So you've lost one.
So
of the
yeah,
others that you need to use.
I need to like track down
I think there's one on the other side.
if I need to use a hole puncher. I always use one, so I have one just here. And then I use dividers. So I keep my dividers in here or in here.
Drawings that are being stored with no place to really put them. There was a lot of old stuff from other old employees that are still around here. We took out.
Like a lot of office supplies.
Yeah, a lot of supplies.
Drawers full of paper clips, binder clips, all over the place. I found a lot of stuff that like I moved 3 times because I intended to keep it, and then at the end I just threw it away.
A lot of old binders.
I found some empty stuff in 2008.
So Natasha has a lot of stuff for TOP that she needs to have access to, good height. So that's her. Ryan's already established. This is close to him, so it makes sense for him to stay there. And Paul's going to take this one here to give him a little bit more storage. And then if we have any questions, people can go straight to their drawer for what they need, what they require.
my boy Kevin. I just have to walk right over here. Look at
Hey,
him.
Austin. What's going on?
Those permits, you got them for me?
Oh yeah, they're right here.
Yeah, but. Oh, and Garrett, who is my project manager. I'm also working with Colin here, who are on the other side now,
Yeah, I'm here.
all together.
Okay, so I have my binders here. They're all kind of sorted, and I have other dividers down here as well. We have made an area here for hole punch, staple, tape. So that's all good to have in one area. And then I also organized my dividers. So that's a little bit easier to find if I need blank ones or numbered ones. So everything's a little bit easier to kind of find and grab.